Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy 4th of July. Yes, you are hearing my voice again for the second time. But anyways, um, since it's 4th of July, I'm gonna do a 4th of July special. Hooray for all of you. I actually recorded some videos of me and the rest of my family doing some fireworks, so I hope you like them. And also, I'm gonna talk between them so it won't get boring. Okay, so the first one is I ran inside the house and I checked all the fireworks that we had, and I got this fountain thing. I don't know what it was called, but I know it was a fountain because I recorded it. I took it out and I placed it on the street, but the only problem is that there were too many freaking cars. Like, Jesus Christ, bro! I'm trying to light a lighter. I mean, I'm trying to light a. I'm trying to light a here. God damn it! Why don't you just do it? Oh God. So I did it and I load it and then it starts going off. I start running like, holy shit, it's going off. And then I pulled out my camera, recorded it, and here's the footage that I'm about to show.
Oh, finally! Oh, look how pretty the stars! Like big stars are coming out. Oh, I like it. I like it. Yeah, it's so pretty. Hey, look, that's from the blue ribbon. Look how the fire looks right there. That looks weird. Huh? It's blue.
Wow. Okay, so the second one I want to show you is that we got like a mini fountain, which was kind of like freaking Rascal. Rascal, what are you doing? If you don't know Rascal, he's my dog. And I don't know if you can hear him barking, but I'm sure as hell he's barking like really, really loud. Okay, back to where we were going to. Rascal, please. I'm trying to film a video. Rascal. Oh my God. Anyways, record a firework, and it was super disappointing. You'll watch it. Okay, for this next firework, it was kind of like a rocket type. I can't even speak right. It was like a rocket type thing, and we were lighting it on fire. I ran, and instead of going up in the air, it was a fountain. Big shocker there, I know. And then I could just in that video you can hear my grandparents arguing about what the heck, what is this? Why it's not a fountain, it's not a firework. I mean, it's not a rocket, it's a firework. Okay, here's the video.
But Manuel has to do it better. Go, Manuel. Oh, there we go. It's gonna go up in the sky. Look.
god! Oh!
Look at all the smoke.
Oh my god! What have we done?
Okay, this is the final video of a firework that I wanted to show you today. Me and my little brother Adam, Adam Nunya Biz. He has a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. So we were. I lit the firework, and my grandma's over there calling, "What's it called?" It's like, "Oh, it's called the blue ribbon." And then